Life has seasons, and some seasons quietly come to an end. For the past few years, our life has been here in the UK. But sometimes, life gently reminds you when it's time to turn the page.
Hi, if you're new here, my name is Missy. You can call me the black coffee without cream or sugar. Yes, my family and I, we've been in the UK for the past few years, but now we are ready to start a completely new chapter. And guess what? We're moving back to Kenya.
This wasn't a sudden decision, it's something we've been thinking about for a while. Preparing to move makes you realize how much memories a place holds and how hard it is to let go of those memories. Living here has shaped such an important chapter of our lives, and we'll carry that as we go. Every place we live becomes part of our story, and the UK has been a big part of ours. Closing this chapter isn't easy, but it feels like the right time for our family.
Living here has taught us so much, and packing up our home has been so emotional.
So, over the next few weeks, I'll be documenting this transition from our final days here in the UK to starting a new chapter in Kenya.
This chapter of our life in the UK is closing, but a new chapter in Kenya is about to begin. Stay with me.